In this small pot, I built a quiet world. So today, I'm collecting moss to make a little world of my own. Stay with me till the end, it's going to be a calm little journey. Collecting moss feels like collecting stillness that nature leaves behind for whoever notices. Maybe this isn't just a plant, maybe it's how the earth keeps us soft, memory of rain. Sometimes peace isn't found in big things, but in tiny worlds like these. Watch this empty pot turn into a calm, green world. Some soil. Adding textures of nature. A piece of driftwood and bark. Planting tiny greens, each leaf brings a little life to this pot. And finally, the moss fresh, green, and ancient. It doesn't bloom, yet it brings peace just by existing. Nature has a quiet way of teaching. Even the smallest things, like moss, remind us to grow softly, without noise. A quiet box of wonders, pebbles, crystals, and a spark of nature's grace. This one's special, it feels like the earth kept a secret just for me. The shimmer inside always reminds me beauty doesn't need to be loud. This geode, my favorite kind of quiet sparkle. I never bought it, I found it, and somehow it found me too. Now this plant was just lying there, forgotten. Maybe it was waiting for this little pond all along. Mini pots, ducks, and shells, small details, big joy. Because even the smallest things add magic. A few drops of water and the world feels alive. When we don't pause, nature finds a way to slow us down. In little creations like this, we find our way back to ourselves. A tiny forest, right on my desk, made with hands, held by heart. This is my tiny world of calm, a reminder to slow down, breathe, and stay rooted. Until next time, keep creating tiny worlds of peace.